Finding every species of bull ant, Part 2. Today, we are far closer to home, as we are searching in our backyard. We live on the edge of the bush, so we find large amounts of animals, such as birds, and of course, insects. This is Myrmecia nigrocincta, one of the most prolific bull ants on the east of Australia. They form large populations in certain areas, with nests everywhere. This leads to territorial disputes. They are also highly aggressive, as seen here as they flood out of their nest while we attempt to film them. For the next species, we'll have to wait for nightfall. At these late hours, we can find a giant, the Myrmecia brevinota, one of, if not, the largest ant in Australia. They are far more peaceful than the nigrocincta, being very shy by nature.